Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. 16 by 20 inch canvas and some medium black paint and a silicone brush. Actually, I think I want a wider one. I'm going to try and be organic, if I can be. I'm going to use some Decoart Americana 24 karat gold. It's been a couple days since I've been in here, so that's probably a good idea to shake that. And I'm going to use the clean side to move it up. Don't mind mucking it up a little bit in an effort to experiment. I think I want some dancing fuchsia, and I'm not going to clean my brush for a while. I've got some water lily. I think I'm going to add some of that right to it. And I'm tempted, since the Orange Crush is calling to me, just to do that as well. I've still got gold on one side. I'm going to clean the black side off on my studio sponge. If I get any anomalous marks like that one that's there, I'll just live with it. Whoop, stuck my finger right in the paint. Now, I think I want some saffron. I've been thinking about some yellow, but I don't know how I feel about that yet. Should have cleaned off my brush, I guess, since I have little black marks all the way down. But I kind of like accidental art, so I'm going to embrace it. I might still get to the yellow. Thinking silver also. I want to clean my brush, but I don't. How do I explain that? I know what I'll do. I'll take the paint off before I have a chance to waste it. I think I'm going to have some more black. More Maiden Black. How about some, hopefully, Anita's White Metallic. And I've got Wild Orchid on my mind. I think I'm going to go for the Cerulean Blue. I'm tempted to start short. I've still got black on that brush, so I'm going to use it right there first. And then I'm going to clean that off. Go back ahead and grab my big brush. I'm not done. I think the Wild Orchid wasn't a bad idea. No paint chips allowed. Hopefully it's mixed up enough. Big brush. Push it the wrong way first. Use my residuals. Slowly. I don't know if I need to be careful or not. I've got a puddle of paint and an idea. Might be a crazy idea to schmutz up things a little bit. Put that aside. Very pretty mud. Still thinking about silver, not sure what I'm thinking about it. Even if I just clean off my brush, I can always add more paint and scrape through it later. That's my theory. Come on out. That is Decoart silver. I don't really want to waste this paint, but I'm not sure what I want to do with it. It seems a little risky to put it up there. I want some of it back now. I think I want some more gold, but I'm not going to get it unless I steal it. But that worked out okay. Now it's time to wipe that off whether I like it or not. And dry it. And do the edges, or the ends, whatever you want to call them. I want some more some more dancing fuchsia. And I might want some more cerulean blue, but I'm not sure yet. I always think I'm going to be making a stage 1, and then sometimes I like it. I can't wait to find out which one this is. Trying to make the silver go. Even if I'm trying to be organic, I still wind up trying to straighten edges. So far so good. I'm not sure how much further I'm going to go. Sometimes things just work out. I still want to play though. That's the problem. I'm not unhappy with that, so I'm going to keep going. Well, the stickiness of the paint is conducive to allowing me to do something fun like that. I really think I'm very, very close to being done. If it's not a stage 1, it's darn close. Excuse me, if it's not a stage 2, it's darn close. Got a little puddle of paint here. It's just begging for me to do something with it. I don't know what I'm going to do with that. I think I might just leave it. Alright, for all intents and purposes, I'm guessing that is done. I like it. I like it a lot. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions, it will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.